guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you another add-on called the Dirt Bikes add-on. So I just installed it right now, and basically usually for off-road, they're off-road vehicles, like sometimes used for deserts and other stuff. So I'm just adding it here. So where is that? I might show you another add-on like after the next video I post. So where's that? Alright, there you go. Just the logo. So I get out. Alright, so let's make a new map. Generate random, creative, continue, flat. And then we just add the resource packs in and the behavior packs. So I believe I read the description already. So here, I'm just gonna wait. Okay, there you go. So usually, I got the green and the orange one. I believe. I'm sorry for the brightness. So there's it. How do you drive this thing? It's not gonna work now. Wait. Is it because of the two? What do I need just to use it? I'm gonna read the description, but just okay. There it is. Oh my! This thing goes fast. Wait, can it run over people? Run over stuff? It can go through them. Alright, this is very cool. I think I'm gonna download the map. So just give me a minute. Alright, hey guys. Now I got the map already. Usually it was not part of the add-on, but I think I'm gonna place a link in the description on how I get the map. I got it by going to another add-on called the Mine Cars or the Mine Bikes. Usually they have a map. So this is the map, and then I might show you another add-on about Mine Cars and Mine Bikes. So here I'm gonna go to game mode and then get it. So I want to get the orange one. Wait, I'm gonna try the green or orange. I'm gonna try the green. So basically, just press it there. I really like that. I really like how it really looks like here. So we get the one from the ground on a stick. What happened? What is weird there? So I believe it's tested, and then once we're like, wait, do we go from here? Oh yeah, we go from here. So once I'm done racing, I believe that we're gonna end it here. Oh, come on! What's the point? Oh. Wait. Oh, I'm sorry, but I forgot to add the resource packs and then the others. So I'm gonna add the resource packs already. Just give me a minute. Where is that? There you go. Behavior pack is right here. And play. Alright, it's already saving the resource pack and the behavior pack. So there we go over here. I believe it will work by now. Yes, it will. So we start. Why are we going very slow? Okay, I don't want that. Alright, so start timer, drive. I believe that when you look, they will like follow. Oh, this is a very fast one. Wait. Oh yeah, you can't usually hold the sword. It could have been very cool though, instead of a horse. So it turns kind of slow. The chicken way. So this is a very cool add-on. If you really like it, please like and subscribe. And I believe we're gonna finish in 3, 2, 1. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Bye.
Made that music. Can anybody Everybody out there, hear me.